DJ Ron the Mechanic, back with another video. As you can see, I'm in front of the Lincoln. I'm about to do a little add on to the inside. Kind of want to spruce up the interior a little bit. So I'm giving y'all some footage of the before, as you can see. Not too much going on. Come on over. Yep, as you can see, it just kind of looks regular. But like I said, I got a few little add-ons I'm about to do. So we go kind of get this bad boy here a little transformation, y'all. As you can see. So yeah. So pretty much I'm gonna be doing a little something to pretty much all the doors and the dash, plus this center console right here. So yeah, we definitely gonna give it a little flavor. As y'all can see, I kind of already started a little bit. Put the new WeatherTech mats in. So, yep, got those. Can't see it on this side. But yep, we about to give the Lincoln a fresh look, y'all. Go tighten it up. Yeah, that's right. And you can see the leather seat still looking good up in here. No cracks or nothing. Still looking good. Alrighty. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. So like I said, this is the before right here, how everything looks. As you can see. Then I'm gonna come right back with the after. So I'll be back.
1 hour later.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy DJ Ron the Mechanic back. So I'm finished with the inside of the truck. So I'm about to show y'all what I did to it. Nope, not the floor. Boom. Tell me what y'all think about that. Added a little wood grain touch to the truck there a little bit. Man, hey, not bad for a first timer. You know, because all this here was all gray. So decided to add that on. You can see, got it coming all around there. Check out the center. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Wrapped all that. Yep. Take a look at the back doors. They're the same. Where the switch at on the door handle. Center console on the back end. Like I said, hey, for a first timer, hey, I think it came out pretty good. Same thing on the other passenger door. So got it on there. And of course, right up above, got the little inserts on there too. Yep. Take it to the other side, see a better look. You're on the passenger side. Now I know that wood color there is brighter than the original factory one. They was out of that, so hey, still want to give it a nice look. So I think it came out pretty good. Yep, door handle, see that? Just the other side, checking it out. mean, if y'all look at the before and after, man, it's like night and day. And I would tell you also, hey, look, putting these pieces on this center part right here was not easy, y'all. It took some time to try and line that stuff up. I ain't gonna even sit in front about that. So it took some time, y'all. So, hey, look, if you ain't got the patience for this type of stuff here, woo, don't do it. Don't do it. But, hey, if you're patient enough, hey, look, it'll come out good, you know. I like the way it came out. Like I said, here's the passenger door on the rear, too. Got it covered. And a little strip for the handle. And that's for the vent right up there. Gave it a little gloss. They even put had a little piece for that right there. Okay, not like anybody sits back there, but hey, everything came out pretty good though, y'all. I like it though. Hey, y'all comment below and tell me what y'all think. I mean, look, I ain't no professional, but hey, look, I tried my best. You know, to give the truck a new look, y'all. And if you're interested in getting something like that or a different color, let me see if I can find the paper for y'all. Shoot. I don't even see the paper. I'll put it somewhere. Oh boy. Yep. I had the paper. I left it out. I don't know what I did with it. Oh, here we go. Well, that's one of the pieces. Oh man, where is that paper at? I had all that stuff together. Hey y'all, that's how it be when you put stuff down, you know. Doggone it. Let me see, I think it's back here. Yep, yeah, here we go, y'all. So, hey, if y'all interested in finding, like I said, the same vinyl pieces like this, go in your vehicle. Hey, look, here's the company right here. All vinyl. Check them out, y'all. Check them out. They got a nice little selection. So, yep, that's pretty much it. I like the way it came out. So, hey, I'm happy. You know what I mean? And big shout out to the wifey, because she the one pretty much picked the whole setup, you know. I'm just the installer, y'all. That's how it goes. But yeah, she picked it out. Hey, I put it in there, man. I'm the installer, y'all. So y'all see, everything came out pretty good. Pretty good. Oh yeah, I forgot. I even got the little inserts on the steering wheel too. Yep, so that pretty much concludes this project here. So y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I appreciate all my subscribers out there for supporting me. Hey, look, I will do my best to keep the videos coming for y'all, show y'all all my do-it-yourself type projects. You know, one thing about me when it comes to this installation, hey, I don't back down. I go for it. That's it. It's just me. So, hey, this your boy DJ Ron the Mechanic. Oh yeah, and by the way, I do have my video coming soon for my Versa. Well, it should be part 2 for my system upgrade. just give y'all a little glimpse of what's going on. I'm still waiting for a component to come in. So this far as I got right here. So I still got some more work to finish, y'all. But that's just a little glimpse, showing y'all what I got going on now. So be on the lookout for that video there coming. So hey, this DJ Ronnie Mechanic. Hey, I'm out. Have a good one.